All right, what's up, everyone? We're about to announce the day 11 giveaway, as well as announce the final 12th day of Christmas giveaway. So first things first, again, thank you to everyone for participating. For the day 11 giveaway, it was the Geon Mo's Evo ceramic coating, as well as a bottle of PPS panel prep spray from Kokemi. The winner of that is actually a comment that came in on the Instagram page. Again, I take all of the comments, right, and I put them in a random number generator, and this one just again happened to be from Instagram, and the winner is Larry Kamada. So congratulations, Larry. Make sure to just send me an email to joshv@dtlrsupply.com, dtlrsupply.com, and say day 11 winner, and I'll make sure to get that out to you. Now let's go ahead and announce the day 12, the final giveaway for this year's 12 days of Christmas. And I know it's not anything specific to detailing. I know a lot of us kind of overextend ourselves at this time of year trying to get gifts for people. So what we're going to do is just a general, we're giving away a $200 gift card to Amazon. So hopefully that'll help you guys out. Anyways, in order to win, as always, comment on this video, and then also go follow me and comment on Instagram as well for an extra chance to win. Again, you don't have to comment on Instagram for a chance to win, but that will increase your chances. So go ahead and do both of those, and I'll be selecting a winner here shortly. So good luck to all of you. Again, guys, always remember there are scammers on these Instagram or on these YouTube giveaways. They get in the comments, they say that, hey, you won, but when you have to send us money for us to send it to you. Not the case, right? I do these giveaways. I don't ask for anything back to cover any shipping or anything like that. Again, this one's a gift card, so it wouldn't even be applicable to that one. But just another fair warning, don't fall for any of the scams. That's it for today's video, though, guys. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, turn on that notification bell, and we will see you on the next one.